Hello friends, today we will talk about how to shop on the application of REDnote. On iPhone we click on REDnote app. In this page you will click in this sign here and you will enter on profile. Then we click in this sign. After that you will go to this window of carts. Here you will find a lot of products. You can choose any product to buy it here. For example this. Then you will find here the price, and after that you will click in this sign of carts. Here for example this product, you will click in this sign like this, and here you can choose the size and the color that you want. Then you can click in this sign and then you can buy it. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your